Hi, I'm Karen Monroe, Alameda County Associate Superintendent of Education, with an important message in front of Tuesday's election. Our current superintendent is retiring, and I'm running to be the next superintendent of schools for Alameda County. This is an exciting and critical time in public education. With the new academic standards, advancing educational technology, and significant funding changes, Alameda County needs proven, experienced leadership to prepare our 218,000 students for college and quality careers in the 21st century. I'm ready for this job. As a 22-year educator for the past 3 years at the county office, I've been a leader in increasing career technical education opportunities, arts integration programs, and fiscal and programmatic support for our 18 school districts. I would be honored to have your vote Tuesday, June 3rd, and look forward to partnering with you to ensure the brightest future for our public schools. To learn more, go to KarenMonroe.org. Thanks so much.